Spice is officially in her soft era, getting dog mom lessons from Lisa Hanna. This might be her cutest moment yet. Like, subscribe on Sonic Snap.
Auntie Grace is speaking to
Pumpkin ginger.
This is Auntie Pumpkin Ginger. And you're going to be good because she has to learn that in her soft era, she has to be a dog mom.
I'll be doggy. Wait, so as you give it to me,
I'm going to give it to you and just hold it.
Okay.
And then you're going to throw it. Just throw it. Don't drop it.
Throw it in the
Grace,
air.
throw it in the air. Good girl. And you have to praise her.
Oh, that's very good, Athena.
Okay, again. Then you're going to tell her to sit.
Okay.
There she is. She's sat.
Okay.
Say, come Athena.
Very good, Athena. That was so good.
You have to
Do I
praise
touch her?
Yes, you praise her.
Oh.
You're supposed as a soft girl to kneel down and touch her and say, what a beautiful dog. And then you ask me about the dog and then I ask you about your dog. And
Oh, okay. Okay.
ready?
Wait, go over there.